Why forests are important for society. As the biggest plants on the planet, they give us oxygen, store carbon, stabilize the soil, and give life to the wildlife. They also provide us with material for tours and shuttle. Trees make the air more breathable by reducing particulate matter. Trees provide shade that cools water, benefiting certain species of fish. Their roots and branches provide space for fish and their habitat. Trees provide recreation and attract tourists. It provides a service to hiking trails, urban parks, and camping grounds. Forests store large amounts of carbon that would otherwise contribute to climate change. They store nearly 300 billion tons of carbon in their living parts. We know that forests are biodiversity rich, and we know they provide us with essential ecosystem services, such as regulating water flows and influencing weather patterns. Forests also support the life of some of the world's endangered species. Forests play an important role in the cleaning of the atmospheric air. During the day, trees and plants absorb carbon and give out oxygen. Trees bring us closer to the natural and help us to reconnect with culture. So how about the cities? Trees provide shade in the summer, which saves on air conditioning costs. Conifers insulate homes in the winter, reducing heat costs. Trees have the shade, making streets and parking lots cooler and extend the life of the asphalt. Trees provide health benefits, such as stress reduction and speed the healing process. Trees are essential, trees are valuable, trees are beneficial, and trees are beautiful. That's why forests are important for our society.